Hello students, standard 9th, chapter number 12, Shubhasita Shaptakam. Saptakam it means 7. Shubhasita it means good thought. 7 bunch of good thoughts. I already told you that Shubhasit always give us some moral message, some moral things that we learn and then we should keep in our mind to survive ourselves easily. Epigram means a beautiful saying or moral. In a Sanskrit, there are many features of epigram. I already told you about the Panchopdesh, Hitopdesh, Panchtantra. One is that these are small verses which are able to contain an ocean of wisdom in a small vessel. These have been continuously sung by the common people and kept alive down the ages. They nourish the life. Moreover, Sanskrit epigram are nutrition and substances of universal feeling as well as the stream of tradition, it means samskars. Our ancestors, our forefathers, composed this epigram based on the values that they embed their wisdom, and these are popular to these days. These epigram of a bygone age are still relevant. Even today, these epigrams without any descriptions show the path of living a happy and ideal life. We shall here learn the 7 epigrams which are like precious gems of Sanskrit language and whether values we learn from them we shall try to imbibe in ourselves. Let's start the epigram. Shaneha panthaha, shaneha kanthaha, shaneha parvata langhyanam, shane vidya, shanervitam, panchetani, shane shaneha. Shaneha pantha, pantha it means to walk. Shane it means slowly. We should always walk slowly. Shane kantha, patched garments. In Gujarati we can called thigdu marelu kapdu. Also worn by us very slowly. Shaneha parvata langhanam. We should cross mountain slowly. Shane vidyaha. It means to study, to learn slowly. Shane vitam. Vitam it means wealth. Wealth slowly. Panchetani shane shaneha. That 5 things we should do slowly, slowly. Which 5 things? I repeat you on the board that 5 things. To walk slowly, patched garments slowly, cross mountain slowly, learn slowly, and earn wealth slowly. That 5 things we should do slowly. It is beneficial for us. Silam, Shoryam, Nalashyam, Panditalyam, Mitra Sangraham, Ajora Haranyani, Panchetanakshayo, Nidhi. Silam, it means character. Shaurya, it means courage. Na alashyam, it means our laziness. Pandityam, industries. Mitra Sangraha, Pandityam it means scholarship. Mitra Sangraha, collection of good friends. These 5 things is our industry, and no thief can be stolen that. Which 5 things the thief cannot be stolen? Character, courage, scholarship, collection of good friend, and industries. These 5 things cannot be stolen by any thief. Shahanti Sreyashi Puncha Viguणेष्वपि बन्धुषु तुषेरेपि परिभ्रष्टाः न प्ररोहन्ति तण्डुलाः. Unity with worthless, Shahanti Shreyashim Punsa. Unity with worthless relatives is beneficial, as we know that. Bandhusha, it means relatives. Viguणेष्व, it means beneficial. Unity with worthless relatives is beneficial. Tuserapi paribhrashtaha na prarohanti tandula. Tandula, it means rice. The rice grain. Prarohanti, it means separated from the husk, do not grow, is we keep out from the upper part of that particular seed that cannot be grown. It's the same way, if we keep the relation with worthless, our relatives cannot be us. Next, Nasti Meghshanam Toyam. Nasti Chatmasam Balam. Nasti Chakshuhu Samam Tejo. Nasti Dhanyashanam Priyam. Nasti Meghshanam Toyam. It means there is no water like cloud, as we know that the cloud has the plenty of water. Nasti Chatma Shambalam. Atma Shambalam, it means self-confidence. Nothing is more than our self-confidence, our Atma Bal, our courage. Nasti Chakshu Shamam Tejo. There is no another thing like our eyes. There is no lighter thing than our lights. Nasti Dhanyam Shanam Priya. Nothing is pleasing as grain. Nothing is good as grain. So 4 things are more important. Which are the 4 things that are more important? The first, cloud of water. Next, courage or a self-confident. Our eyes, own eyes. And then grain. That 4 things are more important in our life. There is 3 another slokas that we will see into next video. Till then, have a nice day.